Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Camry door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement handle for your specific Camry model. For safety, it's always a good idea to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This simple step helps prevent accidental shorts. Now, let's get to removing the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your car's paint or damaging the trim. You'll find several screws, often hidden under caps or in the armrest, that need to be removed. Once the panel is loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors attached to window switches or door lights. With the old handle out, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new handle and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure all linkages and rods are properly connected to the handle mechanism. Reconnect all electrical wiring to the window switches and any other components on the door panel. Before putting everything back together, give the new handle a few test pulls to confirm it operates smoothly. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips align properly with their corresponding slots in the door frame. Gently press the panel into place, then reinsert and tighten all the screws and fasteners you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Give the new handle one last test to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your door handle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.